Hey, what's up YouTube? On this video, I'm going to talk about my precious metals portfolio. I recently had a client ask me if I invested in gold and silver, and I absolutely do. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit about my portfolio, a couple of the reasons why I'm investing in precious metals, and I'm going to share with you a few of the coins that I own. I think you'll be surprised how powerful gold and silver can be as a part of your portfolio. My name is Paris Clough, and this is Financial Self-Reliance. On this channel, we talk about the mindsets and the skill sets of the wealthy so that you can learn how to manage, protect, and grow your assets. If that sounds like the kind of channel and the kind of community you want to be a part of, go ahead and click like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the videos that I produce. So first, I want to share with you my liquid asset distribution. As you can see on this chart, I hold about 18% of my wealth right now in precious metals. That's gold and silver. I want to talk about silver first. I'm going to share with you a chart in a minute, how silver is compared to the S&P 500. I also want to share with you a few of the coins that I hold, and then I'm going to share with you some things about gold and the coins that I have with gold. So a lot of people ask me why I carry silver and gold. Part of the reason why is because, in my opinion, they're God's money. A lot of investment professionals will say buy an ETF, buy a mutual fund that follows the index. As you can see with this chart, silver has done very well compared to the S&P 500. So silver is actually a really good bet. I remember a couple years ago buying silver at $15 an ounce, and today I'm buying at $28, $29 an ounce. In just a couple of years, that's double the price. That's actually a really good investment. Not only that, but if the economy does collapse and the fiat currency does go away, the only real way to have an economy is with precious metals. And if the economy does collapse and we lose our fiat currencies, silver and gold will be the standard. You'll be able to buy goods and services with gold and silver a lot more than you'll be able to buy with a dollar bill. We've seen countries in the recent past go through this very situation. Several decades ago, it was Germany, where you could take a wheelbarrow full of their cash currency down to the store to buy just a loaf of bread. Venezuela recently has had some of the similar issues. Tons and tons of cash has very little value because of the things that are going on in their economy. But silver and gold maintain their value and they become hedges against inflation. I highly recommend having them as part of your portfolio. Let me share with you a couple of the coins that I have and a couple of the ways that you can invest in silver. What I have here is called a silver eagle. And this is the most common, I don't know if you can see it if it's in focus. This is an American silver eagle. This is the most common and most sought after silver coin. This is 1 troy ounce. And so what this is, backed by the US government. So it is a legal tender, legal currency. However, I wouldn't take it to the store because you're not going to get the value out of it if you go to the grocery store with this coin. Another one that's really popular in the United States is the silver buffalo. And you can see there's an Indian on this side, and then there's a buffalo on the other side here. And that's why it's called the silver buffalo, is because of that. This is 1 troy ounce as well. In terms of actual bullion value, the raw value of the silver, this coin and the other coin, that silver eagle, these two coins in terms of raw silver bullion are exactly the same. However, because this one's backed by the US government, it actually commands a premium. So you can actually buy and sell these for a little bit more than you can buy and sell these ones, just because of that distinction. Now there's another coin here that's very popular, and this is called a Canadian maple leaf, and this is from Canada, and this has got a Canadian maple leaf on the back. This one is also backed by the government of Canada, and so this one commands a little bit of a premium as well, a little bit less than the silver eagle, because the silver eagle is backed by the US government. The buffalo is also backed by the US government, and then the silver maple leaf is backed by the Canadian government. These are coins, and then there's these 1 ounce bars that they have. This is a 1 ounce bar. It's just a rectangle there. You can have a 10 ounce bar. So this is 10 ounces of silver. And then you can have another style or type of 10 ounce bar, which is this one. And this is also a 10 ounce bar. So another really cool thing about silver is that besides the just raw value of the silver, of the bullion value, they have a lot of coins that they'll make on a limited minted series. And this particular coin is in this case because it's in a limited collectible series. And so these coins can draw more value because they're limited in number, they're limited in their minting, and they're more valuable because of that. And this is an MS70 series. What that means is that it's a collectible series, and there's a limited amount of these that were made so that it becomes more valuable to collectors. What do you think so far about silver and gold? Do you have silver and gold? Do you want to have silver and gold as part of your portfolio? I'd love to hear your thoughts about having and holding silver and gold as a part of your portfolio to 1, hedge against inflation, or to 2, as an investment and as a store of value in order to maintain your wealth for the future. Let me know in the comments below what you think and how you feel about gold and silver. So now I want to share with you a few of the gold coins that I hold and I have in my collection. The first thing to remember is that gold, 1 ounce of gold right now is about $1,900. So that's a lot of money in a 1 ounce coin. So this particular coin, which is a 1 ounce coin, this is a Canadian maple leaf. This coin right here is worth $1,900, just the gold bullion value. Now, if I needed to buy something with this that was only $400 or $500, unless that person had change to give back to me, I'm kind of stuck giving this coin. So what I decided to do was to get a couple of fractional coins. And so this is actually a 1/2 ounce coin, gold coin. And so this is worth about $1,000. And then I have a 1/4 ounce of gold, which is worth about $450, $500. And then I have a 1/10 ounce gold coin. So you can see this was pretty small. I don't know if you can see it in the camera there. But this 1/10 ounce is worth about $200 or so. Now, the smaller the fractional shares, the more the premium is. And what happens is when you go to buy gold and silver at a pawn shop or at a gold and silver shop, you have the actual price, which is called spot price. And then you'll have a premium above that. And that's the commission that the dealer earns to sell that gold or silver to you. So let me just give you an example. Right now, if you were to buy an American Gold Eagle, the premium would be $140 over spot, depending on where you go to buy it. The coin that I bought, which is the gold Canadian maple leaf, this is 1 ounce gold coin. I bought this at $90 over spot. So it was $50 cheaper to buy the Canadian coin than it was to buy the American coin. And so that's why I got that one first, so that I could have an ounce coin and save myself some money. I do also own an American Gold Eagle, but I haven't had it shipped to me yet, and so I don't have it here to show you. If you like this video and you'd like to know more about the power of precious metals as a part of your portfolio, click the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any future videos that I might produce on gold and silver and how powerful and important they can be as a part of your portfolio. All right, I wanted to share with you one last thing here. I shared with you that silver coins also have collectible versions, and so gold coins do as well. So I actually have a collectible gold 1/10 ounce coin. This is a Chinese panda. And this one has a collectible value to it as well as the bullion value. And also an MS70 in the gold category, it's got more value than just the bullion itself, either because it was a limited mint or because it was put in a case to keep it safe and protected. Well, look how gold is done in comparison to the S&P 500. Once again, the S&P 500 is kind of the standard. Follow the index. Everyone says follow the index. So you tell me, is gold a good investment? In my opinion, gold and silver, precious metals are an important part of an overall well-balanced portfolio. I highly recommend that you look into getting some silver and gold. So in the description below, I'm going to give you a couple links to a couple of the exchanges that I use to buy my gold and silver. Sometimes they have deals, sometimes they have specials. So I usually, when I'm going to buy gold or silver, I'll check to make sure who has the better deal, who has the sale going on, and I'll usually buy the coins that they have on sale that week or that month. I'm also a member of a subscription service where every month I actually have an American Silver Eagle sent to me every month. I'll leave a link in the description for that in case you're also interested in kind of an autopilot Silver Eagle sent to you every month. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you now know how important it is to have gold and silver as part of your portfolio. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.